Do you want to apply SSS consolidation of past due short-term member loan with condonation of penalty program in SSS Online? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply loan condonation in SSS Online. To apply, open your computer browser. In your computer browser, type in the address bar, www.sss.gov.ph. Wait for the website to load. Answer the pop-up CAPTCHA by just ticking the box beside "I'm not a robot" and then click the submit button. Then go to portals and click the member button. You will be redirected to the member portal homepage. Input your my.sss user ID and password. If you are not yet registered online, check the description below on how to register your SSS number online. After inputting, tick the box beside "I'm not a robot" and then click the submit button. On your my.sss account, go to the e-services module and then select loans. Then select the apply for consolidation of past due short-term member loan with condonation of penalty program. Review your Conso Loan info. The amount of the consolidated loan and condonable penalty will be shown. After reviewing, choose your preferred term. You can choose either the one-time full payment or installment term. For this video, I will select the installment term. Then select your preferred down payment and preferred payment term. The details of your Conso Loan payment term will be shown. Check the box beside "I agree." Just click the confirm text of the terms and conditions. Then click the Proceed button. Your Conso Loan details will be shown. Click the Submit button to proceed. A dialog box will appear. Just click the Yes button. Congratulations! You have successfully applied for Conso Loan Online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.